Hello children. Chapter 6 exercise 5 you are going to see in this video about addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. So first we will see addition of decimal numbers in exercise 5 and subtraction of decimal numbers in exercise 6. So exercise 5 and exercise 6 both together we are going to see in this video. So add 4.5 and 3.69. So first, always when you do addition with only whole numbers or decimal numbers, I asked you to write the place values. So decimal point, so before decimal point, ones, tens. After decimal, first place value is tens, hundreds. Okay, so if you want you can also write thousands, but after decimal maximum we have two places only, so I have written only the two place values after decimal. So now straight to this decimal I am keeping decimal point and the first number 4.5. So before decimal 4, so before decimal 4, after decimal 5, just straight to the place values I have written. So the next number, add symbol, before decimal 3, so straight same decimal I am having, 3 before decimal, ones place value, after decimal 6, 9, so this 6 is your 10th, this 9 is your 100th, so 6, 9. So now you are going to add these two numbers. So since there is no number here in the 100th place, I am going to give 0 and I am making like decimal number. So now add it, 0 plus 9, 9, you will get normal addition only we are going to see. 5 plus 6, so 5 plus 6 you will get 11. So 1 here, and as usual you will carry forward the 1 over to the whole number. The same decimal, wherever you are continuing the decimal point, just keep the same decimal in the same row. Now going to add the whole number. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. So that's it. Addition is over. So it will be very simple only. We will see one more sum. Here 3 numbers are asked to add. So now I am going to write the place value, ones, tens. So after decimal, tens, hundreds. So here after decimal we have 3 places. So thousandth also I am going to write. So the first number 15. So if you see in 15 we don't have the decimal place. So we have only 1 5. So it is a whole number. So before decimal only we have to write 5, 1. So this 5 is ones, this one is tens. So after decimal we don't have any values, so you can give zeros. So next number plus 6.455, that is decimal place. Continue the decimal place. Before decimal 6, after decimal 4, 5, 5, 10th, 100th, 1000th. So again one more number is given to add, 10.01. So before decimal 10, so keep the decimal 0, 1. So if you see here, this 0 is ones, this one is tens. So ones, tens. So after decimal 0, 1. So now we are going to add. So wherever you have empty space, you can give zeros to make the like decimal. So now 0 plus 5 plus 0, you will get 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 1 gives 6. So next 0 plus 4 is 4. Again 4 plus 0, 4. So here we have decimal, straightly just keep same decimal point, and then now adding the whole number, 5 plus 6. So again 5 plus 6 you will get 11. 11 plus 0, again 11 only you will get. So 1 here and the next carry forward to tens place. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So answer is 31.465. Okay. So now we will see about subtraction of decimal. So here 9.5 minus 3.75. So I am going to just write it fast. Ones, tens. After 2 place value decimal, tenth, hundredth. Okay, so leave some space after writing the place value. So decimal place 9, after decimal 5, minus before decimal 3, after decimal 7, 5. So here 0 I am going to give. So now I am going to start subtracting. 0 minus 5. So since 0 we cannot minus 5, I am going to borrow from 10th place value. So it will become 10 and this will become 4. So 10 minus 5 gives 5. 4 minus 7. So 7 cannot be subtracted from this 4. So I am going to borrow from the whole number. From 9, if I borrow 1, that is, it will become 8 and this will become 14. So 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7 you will get 7 as a answer. So same decimal you are going to follow. Now 8 minus 3 you will get 5. So there is no value in the tens place value, so leave it. So answer is 5.75. So one more sum. Quickly I'll just move ones, tens, hundreds. So here I am writing 3 place values of whole number because 100 is given. 100 is a whole number. So ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so that's why only I have written 3 place values of whole number. So next is decimal place values, tenth, hundredth. So after decimal here only 2 places are there. So I am just stopping with 2 places. So decimal 100, 0, 0, 1. So here after decimal no values. So subtract decimal. So before decimal 4, 4, 44 and after decimal 9, 5. So here in hundreds place value 0. So 0 minus 5, 5 cannot be subtracted from 0. So here I cannot borrow, here I cannot borrow, here I cannot borrow. So in hundreds place I have 1. So from here I am going to borrow 1 to the next place value tens. That is previous place value. So this 1 will become 0. From this 10 I am going to borrow 1 and it will become 9. Again from this 10 1 is borrowed and this 10 will become 9. Again this 10 is borrowed 1 and become 9. So this 10 minus 5. Now 5 will be the balance. So 9 minus 9, 0. So decimal state, follow it. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 you will get 5. So here again 9 minus 4, 5. So here 0 minus 0. So nothing. So answer is 55.05. So hope you have understood. Thank you children.